we announce. Jacking up the level, jack it up low. Bringing up the level, bring it up low.
Hey everybody, icasereviews here. So as you can see here, I just got a humongous package. Right here. As you can see, big iLuv logo right there. From UPS, shipped from UPS. And yeah. So let's try to unbox this. Let me try to find an opening. This is hard. Let me get this bag out first. Get my info out. This is heavy. This is some heavy duty tape they got here. So let me take these papers out first. And something, I think. Just ripping it with my hands. Don't even care about the packaging anymore. So just get this open. Wow. Still don't know what it is inside yet. Let's just. This is from jWin, by the way, as you can see. This thing is humongous. Put all these styrofoams in here. And let's just move this apart and show you guys that there's this. Wow, this thing is huge. Wow, this thing is beast. So wow, they sent me iLuv double play. As you can see, box empty, a lot of styrofoam though. Wow, Record works with the iPod. Hi-Fi dual alarm clock for your iPod Touch. Brand new, iLuv.com. Let's open this and see what's inside. Alrighty then. Alright, so let's just rip. Oh, whoops. So let's just open this and cute little remote control here. This is the iMM173 model. Nice little remote control here. So put that there. Okay, everybody. Sorry, got cut off. So I was at the care kit, and you can see these are all the dock connectors for all different types of iPods. So that's amazing. System DVD, and our device, the iMM173 iLuv dual play hi-fi alarm system. So this thing looks huge. I'm pretty sure it goes this way, so that's where it is. Let's open this and check it out. This also works as a. So wow, that is what it looks like. That thing looks amazing. Let me just get my iPod and so I got my iPod right here, and just to check it out, first time trying. Wow, that looks really nice. So here's just a quick close up. That's what it looks like. Let me just rip this little tab off here and try to set this thing up and see what it's like. So yeah, be right back. sorry, I also forgot one more care kit right here. And this is where all the cables are for charging, and yeah. So let's plug this into my outlet and see how it works. Be right back. So I just got it plugged in, and as you can see, so right here just got it working, and really nice design here. Big 2 speakers on the side, and on the back there's nothing. It does have a jAura, an echo sound cell technology inside, so it goes through here, through the back hole right here on the side, and through the front. So yeah, as you see, this doubles up as a FM alarm clock, a clock, and a stereo. So yeah, iLuv right here. This is not the review, by the way, just showing you guys. So let me test this out with some music. Alright, so just play. So let me just try to, I'm not sure how to work these docks yet, so I'll figure it out and tell you guys. But let me just try to put this. So yeah, there we go. As you can see, change the volume from just turning this little thing on the top. You can set the bass and the treble, so if you want to make it more bass to max, I'll show you guys. So now there's more bass. So this thing is awesome. You can also control it through the little controller right here, and let's just try it out. Volume, it does work. Let's see, you can change your left from right iPod. You can auto scan, so it just goes in new song. Press enter, you can go back even on your iPod and it works. So this thing is pretty awesome, I can tell you that. Go to menu, it automatically controls the iPod. If you can see, there's my iPod, just using this remote controller right here, and I'm just pressing menu to go to songs, down arrow, and you can choose any song you want. So right there, awesome. I can't wait to review this. This is from iLuv.com. Definitely go check them out. This thing is really awesome. So yeah, let me just pause this, and also works as a charging system, which I forgot to mention. So this is like 5-in-1 system. This thing is really awesome. So yeah, don't forget to check them out. This is from iLuv, jWin.com. Peace. So this is iCase.